A teenager who killed 7-year-old Katie Ruff has been detained for life and ordered to serve a minimum term of 5 years. The girl, who is 16 and cannot be named, pleaded guilty to manslaughter by diminished responsibility in July. Katie was smothered and slashed with a knife by the teenager on a playing field in Whitthorpe, York, on 9 January. She died later in hospital. Mr. Justice Soule at Leeds Crown Court said it was a truly exceptional case. The defendant, who appeared via video link at Leeds Crown Court, sat with her head down clutching a soft toy as Katie's family looked on from the jury box. The court heard there was clear and unequivocal evidence that she still posed a dangerous risk to members of the public and that so far she had been unwilling and unable to address her behavior. The judge told her, "The gravity of the offense of killing a small child speaks for itself. The level of danger to the public is high. In the circumstances of your continuing silence, the critical question is whether there is any reliable estimate as to how long that danger will continue." Her barrister said this was not a malicious maneuver, but a coping mechanism, as she was still suffering from post-traumatic stress. A previous hearing was told how the girl, who was 15 at the time of the attack, suffered with severe mental health problems and was convinced people were robots. In July, after denying murder but admitting manslaughter, she was given a 12-week interim hospital order to allow for further assessment of her mental health before sentencing. A post-mortem examination showed Katie had 2 severe cuts to her body, one to her neck and the other to her torso, but died from being smothered. An earlier court hearing was told the teenager was found standing in a cul-de-sac covered in blood and carrying a blood-stained Stanley knife as she rang 999 to tell police what she had done. The judge was told that owing to her irrational beliefs she may have been trying to prove that Katie was not a robot. He heard that the girl began suffering from mental health problems more than a year before the killing. Prosecutors said she had reported delusional thoughts as well as depression, self-harm and suicidal thoughts. Nicholas Johnson QC, defending, told the previous hearing his client had posted a picture on social media 2 days before the killing with a concerning message. He said, "She was clearly crying out for help and support.